Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. First of all, I would like to thank everyone who follows my YouTube channel. If you haven't done so, subscribe into this YouTube channel and click the notification button, guys, for more setups to come. There's a lot of setups coming, guys, that I share weekly. Share maybe a setup a week. So you can maybe use that to your advantage to your trading. I've shared, maybe this is the second one that I've shared this week already. I spoke about the DXY yesterday. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe there. Follow it, guys. You'll get awesome maybe setups there. Sometimes it's good to get that second opinion into this market. All right. Guys, I'm just going to look on the USDJPY. I've shared USDJPY into the my Telegram channels, my Discord channels that I'm running. People who subscribe to those channels, they've got these amazing setups. I also shared it for free to everyone on the public on my YouTube channel. Shared it on Facebook, my timeline there. This setup of a USDJPY is there also on my group there on Facebook. That is dynamic projection group, guys. If you need to follow more setups, you are welcome, guys, to follow more setups posted in this regard. Just a second. All right, guys, if you need to get more videos, please subscribe into this channel for more videos to come. I'll look into USDJPY, guys. USDJPY, previously, I shared this setup over here. That is the move up. We're going to have a move up and a move down to the blue box, and we are going to rally up for wave C. That was the focus shared. Let me see when this was shared. Let's just see if we will get a clarity as to when this properly was shared. I think it says here that this was shared on the October 2019. That is the 31st of October when I shared this setup um, on my group, on my uh, Slack group, that we're going to have this move and the rally down to the blue box and the push to the upside. Obviously, we were expecting that the push to the upside, this push to the upside won't come in a straight line. After we had a long run of a correction that was running in a long run correction that we had. Therefore, that's when we anticipated the last move of a correction before we pull out of this structure. All right. Therefore, I'm just going to capture, follow you just before we go to what to expect on the USDJPY. Follow, maybe make follow up here on what we expected to get on the June 23rd of June this year. I've shared this setup that was after we had a run up and a run to the blue box and a run up again. Therefore, we then started to have this some kind of a correction here. We anticipated a move up again. All right, where here I anticipated that we are going to still crawl to the downside, maybe up to these levels over there. Okay, we are going to have three-wave move. You see that we anticipated that we are going to get this correction that's gonna take us more down. All right, to these levels to 104,923. That's the levels we anticipated. Levels we look for. We are going straight to our chart and see what has USD JPY has done up to this far. Now that we are getting uh, these, what has Usdjpy has done up to this far. So I think it will be amazing to look into that. Let's look into Usdjpy. This is a Usdjpy setup currently. This is what we are having currently, guys. We had the corrective structure as anticipated before. We had this move down here, a corrective structure which was an expanded, and a move down as anticipated, as projected before. And now we are looking for the move to the upside. This is a big corrective structure that we are currently having on the USDJPY. The bigger corrective structure, this move corrects the move that is coming from the blue box that I've just shown you. This is all the correction that we are having here. All right, this is a setup that I've shared yesterday into all groups, into Facebook. I've shared this, this setup with people who actually follows my setups over there. So what are we expecting now to get here? We had a move in three waves down. Let's look into the correction. We have a move in three waves down here. Move in three waves that ends with the diagonal over here, and we have another three waves and another three waves here. So we supposedly that we need to have some kind of a WXY structure there instead of that APC marked already. So now we are looking for nothing for the move to the upside. As for my opinion, I think keeping setting this thing over here is risking. Is risking. I'm not saying it wouldn't happen for these to start moving to the downside. It can happen, but on this structure that I'm looking at, I'm looking for to get one more upside as analyzed before. So this is a structure that is actually preparing for us to start pushing all the way to the upside. All right. So this is where we're trading now. We are trading at the 618 level now. So on the structure that I've shared yesterday, this is exactly the structure that I've shared yesterday for all the groups on Facebook. I've shared it, it's there on Facebook. So to safely trade this and to safely get assurance that this is gonna push to the upside is to get the move like this. I'm going to switch off my drawings here so that you can see what is it that to expect is to get a move like this, some kind of an impulse and a correction that will actually confirm some kind of a reversal. But this will still, even if it gives that correction, it will still be inside of this. Will still be inside of this. I think we can also wait patiently enough for this to break this level that we're currently looking at right now, to break this structure that we're currently looking at now, just to break this and start correcting over here. And this will be all the confirmed move that will be going to the upside. So if you look carefully into the structure that I've sent into the groups here, I've looked into this level as a scaling out level. If you push taking the trade after this corrective structure, you need to make sure that you scale out depending how many trades you take over here. But getting to this level, you'll be scaling out because we have to expect some kind of a correction into this level and expect one more move, one more push to the upside. Okay, one more push to the all right, that's what we are going to expect to get that one more push to the upside. Currently, we are trading at that 104 price we anticipated, we looked at previously. So we're expecting that this will start pushing and give a correction. So we expect a bigger structure, a big impulse here and a correction to push this to this level. And we're going to expect that this is going to give a deeper correction that will give us a high probable trade that will actually be going to the 115,497, the high probable trade. Why are we selling scaling out to this level? We are saying scaling out to this level because we anticipate that this level we might be getting another correction that may cause a delay before going to the upside. I think if we take more trades, some trades here, some trades at this corrective structure, depending how many trades you took here. Therefore, we're going to expect that when you get to this level, we scale out some profits. It means we maybe leave some for the rest of the targets. So it will depend what kind of a structure. For now, I just looked at an ABC structure. It can go even further. We might even update the structure and maybe start looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 structure. As if you look previously, we had an impulse that is going up, and this bigger correction and this move that we're currently looking for to go to the upside. We went to we went we're done with this, we're done with the correction already. We need a move to the upside. Hence, I said the market does not move in a straight line. Therefore, we're gonna expect that the market is gonna start pushing all the way to the upside from these levels, all the way to the upside. All right, that's the USDJPY, guys. You will be safe and be have assurance once this starts to break this channel over there. Starts to break this channel. Hence, it came down three waves, it came up three waves, and it came up down three waves again. But in the breakout of this last three-wave structure, this structure here, when it breaks out and give you this a small correction that will give you a proper risk reward ratio, so that when you take your trade in the breakout, you get a proper risk reward ratio for the more trade to the upside. You'll be risking less for a massive pips to the upside that will be expected. Therefore, we're going to be expecting that this will be giving beautiful pips on the breakout to the upside. That is about 800, over 800 pips that we're going to expect the USD JPY to run. That even here we had a run that was over 1,000, that was over 1,000 pips that we saw happening here, and it can even do even more pips to the upside, more than the 800 pips anticipated. But if we take an aggressive entry right here, targeting that area, we will be maybe be assured that to take in over 1,000 pips again to the upside. We're going to be looking at this low. If taking a trade, we're going to be looking at this created low over here for a proper stop loss to be set. That is the low that we can look at for this aggressive entry. The second entry, that's the second entry we might be seeing over there. So if you're taking an aggressive entry, the stop loss will be sitting too far, maybe at that low, because I'm not actually expecting the market to keep climbing lower. It can also climb lower to give maybe some kind of a harmonic pattern, and that will also give, maybe if it fails and the market comes to that level, we will be getting a nice harmonic pattern, maybe some kind of a Gartley pattern over there. Therefore, for a massive trade to the upside, we are not denying that the market can come lower to the 78% instead of this 61.8%. So we will see what the market does. But if it keep pushing lower to that level, we're gonna see the market is gonna maybe start telling us by giving us some kind of three waves move over here, and a push, a little bit push lower again. That means here we will be having some kind of start compressing prices and giving some indication that it is actually ready to push all the way to the upside. So it's either you take a trade at this breakout here, test and push to the upside, or any flag corrective structure that you might get here, it will be giving you the trade to the upside. All right, if you take an aggressive entry here, you're gonna see maybe if you start to push in three waves, you start moving maybe into break even into your trade, and if it does that, then you don't lose a trade. Okay, if it breaks that low, because we have got that low that might be broken before pushing to the upside, very much possible that can also happen. But what I'm expecting that this can start pushing to the upside with that dollar index analysis that we analyzed, that we did yesterday. We're going to be expecting that the USD is going to having a big influence into this to push to the upside. That's what we're expecting on the next coming sessions. Also, the Euro US dollar, that's what we explained, that we're waiting for it to just keep dropping again to give us that correction to the downside. All right, even if the dollar becomes weaker, then it means it will be an opposite that is happening. Once we get this structure here, we might be having yen weaker than US dollar to take us to that level. Therefore, anything that we're gonna get, we're gonna keep taking the trade to the upside. That means if this push all the way to the upside here, for every little correction that we're gonna get on a smaller time frame, we're gonna keep taking the trades until we reach that 115,497 level. That's me, guys. Like, subscribe to this channel, and press the notification button for more setups to come, and that I'll be sharing with you guys. Cheers. Lovely. Bye.